Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Discord iPhone. On Discord, switching to dark mode is simple as is switching back. Both the Discord app for mobile and iPhone may be switched onto dark mode. If the light white theme bothers your eyes or you find the dark theme more interesting, it is quite simple to change it from the Discord settings. Open the Discord app on your mobile. Go to Settings by tapping the icon in the far right from the top left. Here, scroll down in a bit and tap Appearance in-app settings. From here, you can choose the theme you want. It has light and dark modes and different themes specific to Discord Nitro. You can also have much darker background by activating the AMOLED mode, which is still in the experimental stage. AMOLED mode is not normally visible in the mobile app or iPhone, but if you tap the dark mode option 10 times in a row, the AMOLED mode will be visible for you as well. Discord dark mode's advantages include reduced eye strain and tiredness due to improved vision in low light conditions. Users who choose a darker color palette will find it usually appealing. Consistency with other well-liked dark mode user interfaces, providing a more seamless user experience. And last, a defense mechanism against blue light, which has been associated with disturbed sleep patterns. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.